We're out on a walk and we just spotted this. This is for you, Gwenny.
Thank you, ma'am. All right.
Yeah, have a good day.
Take care.
We just took a mini road trip out to my mom's house to deliver her big Christmas gift that hadn't arrived yet when we met her at the mall the other day. And on any road trip, we always go to Dairy Queen and get blizzards. I always get the small Heath Bar blizzard. What did you get this time?
Peppermint hot cocoa.
Is that a flavor they always have?
No, it's a special.
Okay, you should have said that in the first place.
No comment.
As I'm eating my blizzard, I'm realizing that not all of you know what Dairy Queen or a blizzard is. So Dairy Queen is a fast food restaurant. I'm not sure if it's everywhere in the US or if it's just in the South, like a regional thing. But a blizzard is a soft serve ice cream and then you get mix-ins with it. So the Heath Bar has Heath Bar, which is a toffee candy, and then it has some chocolate syrup mixed in too. It's delicious. This is the only blizzard I ever get since I was a kid, and on road trips we've always had a tradition of stopping to get a blizzard. These are also the only blizzards we ever have in Texas. Is there anything you want to say about Dairy Queen or blizzards?
You're supposed to be able to turn it upside down without anything falling out, which is true.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we saw the lady do that when she handed us mine, but she didn't do yours because it had whipped cream on the top.
My go-to blizzard is a Reese's peanut butter cup blizzard with pieces of little tiny Reese's peanut butter cups. But they usually have around a dozen different mixes to choose from, and it's always interesting and delicious.
Yeah, they do have seasonal flavors. Some of them are really gross, like bubble gum. But this one, how is this one?
It's delicious. It's
good.
It's like it has like peppermint bark pieces in it.
Nice.
At least it tastes like it, and all kinds of goodishness.
You have anything else you want to say about Dairy Queen or blizzards?
What do you want me to say?
Hello. Hello, hello. Watch out. There's a big wagon coming through with a giant box in it. What could that be? Could it be a doggy prezzy? It might be.
Oh my goodness.
Finally, someone else to pet them when we walk in. I don't have to do it. It's about time. What? It is a doggy prezzy.
It's a product disclaimer, 23 pages long. Typical American product disclaimer.
It says things like, don't light yourself on fire and
Don't eat it.
don't eat it.
Don't use it for a ladder. Use it while dragging.
Assembly instructions. Wow. It's pretty steep.
Yeah, that's the steepest.
Yes, I know. I have eyeballs on a brain, so I figured that out. I think the dogs might be able to use it better if it's on the floor. I was thinking it'd go long ways. Yeah, okay.
I have eyes and I have a brain.
You guys really need to learn how to make the bed. That's the tallest one.
This is the tallest.
It's pretty darn steep. Does it not have a platform at the top?
No.
It's just a ramp? I thought the one I looked at had a platform.
They wouldn't really much have to jump if you want to get one down, then you have to jump a little bit.
I don't know. Fix the blanket, would you? Where we can see the top of the bed better. I don't know. Let's try it. Put a dog on it.
Here, bear. Come bear. No way there. Gotta be this way.
Come here, Bear.
Here, bear.
Go.
Come on.
Go, Bear.
Bear.
I think it's too steep. Here, I'll switch places with you. I'll sit over here and you try and make him go up over there because I don't have two hands to grab him.
Go, bear.
Good job. Roxy, you don't have to bully him. Roxy, it's your turn.
No, not me.
Roxy.
Come on.
See, I knew she would do that. She just flattens out like a pancake
Come on.
because it's something new and she's afraid.
Come on.
No.
Come on, Roxy, go.
So what are these for again?
This is so the dog can hold on to the handrail while he climbs up.
Okay, where's Roxy? I'll try Baron again. He's still here.
Go up again.
See, we don't need no stinking video about how to get your dog to go up a ramp. We just push him. Come on, Bear. Come on, Baron. Oh, what a good boy. See, you're so smart. Then he needs that sticker off. He doesn't have any traction where the sticker is. Come on, Bear. Come on.
Go.
You can do it, Bear. Come on. Good boy. See, he's so smart. He's so smart and so brave. He got it right away. Come on, Roxy.
Come on, Roxy.
Come on.
See, I don't want anything to do with that.
Roxy, come on.
There you go, girl.
You've been gotten, Roxy. Okay, let's try it, Rox. Good girl. Come on, Roxy.
Go, go,
Come on.
go.
Come on. You're almost there. Come on, Roxy.
Come on, go.
Come on.
Go, Roxy. Go.
Come on, Roxy. Good girl. Almost. Come on.
One of the problems is she can't get enough traction to stand on that in order
Yeah.
to jump.
Roxy, come on. She's just standing there slipping. Oops. Good girl. Good girl, Roxy. You did it. Kind of. So I just checked my email and I got this email from Louis Vuitton. It says, share the spirit of the season with our holiday e-card. And what it is, you can go down, that's an example of it, and you click on Spread Cheer, and it takes you to this website. And you can build an e-card to send to people, and it's really cool. They have lots of options. So I'm sending it to some of my YouTuber friends. Step one, I'm going to walk you through it. You select one of these 3 cards. These 2 are coming across as similar colors. It's purple, red, and blue. And when you click on each of them, a card pops up and they each have a different design. So this has the floret that's inside the sort of diamond. This one has the floret that's not inside a diamond. The pointy, both of those are pointy. And this one is the round floret. So I'm going to send this one to Yota, and she likes red, so I'm going to pick the red card. And then I'll go up to next. And here you write a message. I'm going to type with one hand here, Yota, and it won't let you do commas, so I'm going to go to the next line. Happy day before. Oh wait, I'm going to put Merry, because it's Christmas time. Merry day before Christmas Eve. Isn't that clever? There, now you can actually see it. And then I'll put my name. Actually, I'll put your BFF Autumn. How about that? That'll work. Then you click next. And it takes you to a preview of your card. So it puts the first message up there and then the signature down here. You can write more in either of them. And then what's really cool is on the bottom there are all these little stickers, and there's an arrow where you can get even more stickers. There are a bunch of them, and you just click and drag them to the card. Now what I've found out is that I'm not sure, once you click and drag, I'm not sure how to delete them. I'm not sure if you can, so make sure that you are picking what you want. And let's see, I'm gonna pick some I think that she would like. She likes to get lots of things, so I'm gonna pick this one that has lots of Louis Vuitton boxes and bags in it. I'll put that there. I made some for Winnie and Gwynnie, and I put the more colorful icons, and Yota is certainly colorful as well, but I'm gonna pick something that's a little more classic for her designs, like golds and things. Since it's coming from me, I was gonna say it has to have a dog in it. There's a little dog here, but I think I might want another dog. I think I'll put maybe this dog with the trunk. You also can't resize things, and I'm not sure how to put something in front of the other, although that just worked. And maybe a trunk behind there. Is that gonna work? And like, why is that trunk so big? I'm not sure. But I like that. I think that looks good. So now I'm gonna go to next, and then I'll enter Miss Autumn. This is where you enter your name and their email and then send it. And before you send it, it gives you one more little preview to make sure that looks good, and I think that does. So I'm gonna click send. And it's sent. And then it gives you an option down here to create another card. So I think that's pretty cool. You should do it too. I'm gonna post the link to this in my description box in case you don't get this email, and now you'll be able to send Louis Vuitton e-cards to all of your friends. Figured out how to get something off of here. So I just dragged this up, but I didn't like it because it was too small, so I dragged it off the card and it disappeared. Well, I've never seen this happen before. Cabernet Sauvignon. It's not a bottle that has pressure inside of it. I just took the little plastic wrap off the seal, and the cork popped off all by itself. Very strange. That usually only happens on champagne. Hello, Roxy. So cute. Super cute, Roxy. Super cute. Hello and welcome to Vlogmas, day 23. We have some advent calendar items to open. Day 23. Balance of Powers Red Blend. I feel like there are several here at the end of the calendar that we've already had. I think I may have known about that when I ordered the calendar, and it's just fine with me. Dry Creek Valley 2018, day 23. I think these are the birthday cake candies. Birthday cake caramels. Make every day your birthday with these celebratory birthday cake caramels rolled in tiny rainbow sprinkles. Again, not my thing. Let's hope day 24 brings us some joy. It's really not cool that there's just one day left. Now this, I think I might open it right here because it is heavy. This is our last advent calendar item. And then you guys have been voting on which one of these I should open, and there is already a consensus. It's between a few, but there are more votes for one of these than there are for anything else. This, oh, there are two items. Look at that. Bonus. Bonus. Let's see here if I can pick this up without the other one falling. This one is for me. It's a microwavable warm and cozy hottie. So when I have tummy aches or something, I can warm this up in the microwave. It's heavy. It has says it's fragranced with lavender, and it doesn't say what else is inside of it, but buckwheat maybe? I think that's what's usually in these things. But I got the owl for me. It does smell quite nice. And the red fox is for my red baron, because he loves warm and cozy things. So I can microwave this and give it to him, and I'm sure he's gonna cuddle with it and just love it. Well, Roxy? Are you ready? You ready for your cookie? There's only one advent calendar left that we haven't done, and it's all for you and your brother. You ready? Are you ready? You're still not reacting. Why do I have to ask you 20 times? Come on. Come on, let's get your cookies. Hi, Bear.